Okay, hold on. I wonder if we can pause it or not. No, we can't pause it. Okay, so now we're recording.
Ah, shit. I can fit the shirt perfect. No, not perfectly, but...
So you ready to have a burping contest, Mandy?
I got this. I truly do.
Ew! Your turn. It looks like you have mouthwash and you go.
I can't. I'm laughing now. Oh, my stomach.
Go, go, go.
I can't. Hold on. Oh. It's not gonna come out this time. Oh, my stomach. Oh.
Ew.
This is disgusting. It tastes like Pepsi.
I burped and laughed. Okay, ready?
I love this song. Your mouth is like.
Wait a minute.
Oh, I'm gonna stop that. I can't do that.
What about the eye crossing thingy? Good luck. You try.
It gives me a headache.
We can compare muscle size.
Phoebe!
Your turn. Let's see yours.
I'm not done.
Yeah, you ain't got it.
Ouch! Ouch!
Wait a minute. Okay, we're gonna try one more burp, and then that's gonna conclude our burping contest, and we'll start the next video.
What next video? You'll see. Oh, I can't get myself to it.
Your turn.
Oh, my stomach hurts. This shit sucks.
That was the last one. Why is yours not coming out?
Okay, that tasted really gross. I'm never doing this shit again.
It needs to stop.
Whoa, that's like a growl.